Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Storm meter for the upcoming weekend storm is in the Plan Now category. And as we get into the day tomorrow, we'll be ready to roll because we have storm on the way. Winter storm warning in effect for a good portion of eastern Iowa. Far north and far south, winter weather advisory, a little less on the snow and ice expected. Now, as for Threat Tracker, showing a high impact event here for tomorrow and during the day on Sunday, especially during the morning hours. We've got the freezing rain, then on top of that will be some snow and then some gusty winds blowing that snow around. Now, as for the timing on all this, here's how it shapes up this evening. We've got dry conditions. Watch out for a little blowing of the old snow that we've had across the roads, making the roads a bit slick in a few spots. Gotten a couple of reports here during the evening hours of that. As we head through the overnight hours, a cloudy sky. Temperatures will be in the 20s. Now, as we get into the late part of the morning, early afternoon hours, we're starting to see some of that moisture in the form of freezing drizzle and maybe a little freezing rain and a few snowflakes mixed in. Temperatures will be in the upper 20s to low 30s. More moisture spreading across the region. By 3 o'clock, we've got some of the rain snow across our northern counties. This pink is freezing rain, and that's expected from Highway 20 to about Interstate 80. And then south of that, it is in the form of rain. Then as we get between 3 and 6 o'clock, the atmosphere cools down, and our southern counties change this over to snow with temperatures in the low 30s. Still snow across the northern counties. Some of this could be locally heavy during the evening and into the overnight hours when it comes to the snowfall rates. Temperatures at this hour in the upper 20s and low 30s. Snow continues through the rest of the night and into the morning hours on Sunday. Now, the intensity of the snow will start to lighten up, and eventually this tapers off as we get towards lunchtime with temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s. Now, keep in mind, this is going to be a heavier wet snow when you are out there shoveling on Sunday. It's going to be a little harder on the back. In addition to that, there may be a little ice underneath that in some cases. Glaze to maybe 1/10 of an inch of ice in some spots, especially right in about here from Highway 20 to about Interstate 80. Now, as for the snow amounts, this may be less of an impact than the freezing rain, but, well, we'll just compact the problem, though. 4 to 8 inches in spots. Northern counties, 2 to 4. Far southern counties, also 2 to 4. As for what we can expect when it comes to our temperatures over the next couple of days, your city-by-city forecast, upper 20s to low 30s. There's your storm on Saturday into Sunday. Monday will be a dry day. Tuesday is going to be a dry day. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, and another storm system will be moving in across the Midwest. That'll provide us with some warmer weather with temperatures in the middle to upper 30s. It does turn a bit windy with this storm system, and then some rain, even a little bit of snow on Thursday, changing over to snow as it moves out of the area as we get into the day on Friday. And then it turns much colder with high temperatures in the teens this upcoming weekend. That would be next weekend, and overnight lows down into the single digits below 0.